So in this problem, we're given that on a credit card account, the average daily balance for a 30-day billing cycle is just the average of the ending balance at the end of each of the 30 days. So whatever the balance is at the end of each of those 30 days, you just add them all up, divide by 30, and that's the average daily balance. And in this problem, we're told that Jane's credit card account had a balance of $600 at the beginning, and it's a 30-day cycle. And she made a payment of $300 sometime during the cycle, and no other transaction took place, meaning she didn't add or subtract any other amount. The question is, what's the average daily balance on her account for this 30-day billing cycle? Now, statement 1 says that Jane's payment was credited on the 21st day. So we can think about that for the first 20 days, the balance was $600. And then at the end of the 21st day, the balance would be $300 because that payment of $300 was credited. Which means for the remaining days up to the 30th day, and this would be 10 days, including that 21st day, her balance is $300. And for the first 20 days, this should be 20 days, her balance at the end of each day was $600. So we have all the information we need to find the average balance for the entire 30-day cycle. If we had to compute it, it would be 20 times $600 plus 10 times $300 divided by 30. So statement 1 alone is sufficient. If we look at statement 2, it says that the average daily balance through the 25th day of the cycle. So we have a total of 30 days. So including the 25th day, which means for the first 25 days, the average daily balance was $540. So we know started at $600. Now conceptually, we know that because only one payment was made somewhere, and if we know just the daily balance for these 25 days, we would be able to figure out when it was done. But if we, let's say, wanted to actually find that day, we can say, well, let's say if the payment was made on the X day, and which means that for the first X minus 1 days, because I have to exclude the day itself when the payment was made, the balance was $600 for each of these days. So that would be the sum, and I need to find the average for the entire 25-day period. And then for the remaining days out of 25 minus X minus 1, the balance is $300 because that payment was credited. And then divide this by 25, and this is equal to 540. So this shows me that I have enough information to compute what X is, which tells me when that payment was made. And once I know that, I would be able to compute the average daily balance for the entire billing cycle. So statement 2 alone is also sufficient, and the correct answer is D.